Here. So where am I off to? I'm out in Arizona right at the moment. I left Dallas this morning and I'm out here in Arizona, just right down the road from Texas Canyon. Pulled off a little old gravel road over here and getting ready to go to bed. Why am I coming out here to Arizona? Well, the other night, yesterday morning, I spotted a truck on truck paper. And I thought, well, it's not exactly what I was looking for, but it's kind of unique in a way. And bugs. Got gnats in here. I opened the door for 10 seconds to get out from the front seat to the back seat back here. Got bugs everywhere. Anyway, I found this truck. It's a Kenworth, and it's out here in Arizona, so I thought I'd come out here and look at it. It's a possible buy. I don't know. I thought it'd be worth the drive to come out and look at it, though. So, anyway, I got out here. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning now, and instead of getting a hotel and all that, I figured I'd just pull off on this old gravel road out here and take a nap. So I'm going to go to bed, try to get about 5 or 6 hours of sleep back here in the back seat of the Raptor. So not real comfortable for an old fart like me. I'll probably wake up tomorrow and have a terrible bad back. And see, I can't stretch out or anything like that. Can't stretch my legs all the way out and everything. So we'll see. We'll see what I feel like in the morning. So anyway, I'm going to bed. We'll catch you later. Bye. Morning, America. How we doing today? It's not the Marriott. Oh, let's see. Woke up. You're probably wondering why they didn't get a hotel. Well, all I needed was about 4, 5, 6 hours of sleep, something like that. And I figured it wasn't worth $100 for a hotel just for a quick nap. And so I just crashed out on the back seat of the truck last night. The other thing with all this COVID stuff, I don't know. I just never had a... Hotels aren't my favorite. I just never... Once I realized there was 1,000 people sleeping in that bed every year in a hotel, I thought, no, it's not, unless I gotta have a hotel or something. But anyway, so I just got a quick nap. And why'd I pull out on this gravel road? Because there's a truck stop over here, and it'd be noisy, and I'm already gonna have a hard enough time sleeping in the back seat of a pickup. I got about 4 hours of sleep, I think, probably, altogether. I kind of tossed and turned here and there, but anyway, I guess it's time to get rolling down to Tucson and go see about this truck. So I'm gonna take a little quick walk and kind of get woke up good first. So be back with you shortly. Up, come answer the door. I pounded on the door, nothing. Knocked on the door. He didn't answer. Rang the doorbell over here, still didn't answer. So I went and got the phone and called him. Wake your ass up. There he is. Morning, sunshine.
Morning. How are you, man?
What are you sleeping? It's daylight's burning, man.
Oh, I know. You know how it is. You're not working.
Okay.
So we're live now?
Yes.
All right, so what...
All right, so this is...
What brings you at my house at 7:30 in the morning waking me up when I'm retired?
That's not getting cut, bud. All right. Okay, so I've driven in the video, I've driven from Dallas to here, 3-minute music video to get here. Now I'm going to start talking about this truck. All right. So, we went and looked at this truck. Donnie and I went down there. And the thing is, when I'm down there looking at a truck, the guy I don't video it because the guy that's showing the truck, people are really leery. When you come up, this is a remote control, but you come up and, hey, can I record while I do this? People are like, wait a minute, what are you trying to record? There's a lot of people that get leery of cameras and stuff, and they don't know anything about the YouTube thing and all that. So, I don't like to force a camera in somebody's face unless they're okay with it. So anyway, I knew I was only going to talk to this guy for a half hour, 45 minutes probably. And if he turned out really nice, whatever, I'd go out and get the camera and I'd do it. But anyway, so we didn't film any of that. So when he got back, Donnie and I were talking. He said, well, what was wrong with that truck? And I'm like, oh, well, there's all this and all that. So I'm going to show you the different things about this truck that I didn't like, what I was willing to overlook, and the reasoning why I drove all the way out here to see this truck. So, all right, what it is,